Hey everyone, this is Amsel from TECHRYDE.com. This is the first video app review of mine. Uh, I'm using my HTC Hero to test these apps out, and I know many people didn't like the European version because of this chin, but I really liked it. I guess it's a personal thing, but it feels really good in your hand, and the material's amazing. And the phone's pretty good as well. I didn't like that HTC would not upgrade to Android 2.1, so I went ahead and installed this custom ROM from XDA developers, and it's very light and stable. So I like this ROM, and I've had this phone for about a year or so, and it's been my day-to-day phone, and I have to say that I really like it. But this is an app recommendation video, so let's get straight into it. So the first app I want to show you guys is this ADW Launcher. It's a home replacement, and it's probably the best launchers out there after Sense UI. Well, I just said Sense is really slow, yes, but it's probably one of the best looking home launchers on Android. But this is probably what comes after. And the thing I like about this is it's extremely customizable. So it's got the basic regular 5 or whatever 7 screens on it, and it's also got these buttons on the side. But other than that, the thing I like about this is you can add whatever you want onto the side. So like if browser is my favorite app, I'm just gonna throw it out there. Now it's there, and now I can access that anytime I want. Another thing amazing about this is that HTC introduced the helicopter view, which you can just pinch to get all your screens. I thought that, yeah, okay, it's a great feature, it looks nice, but it's not very practical when you have to actually try to pinch to be faster. So what this app allows is you can set gestures to do different things. So if you swipe up, which I've set it to, it goes to helicopter view. If I swipe down, I've set it to the same thing, but you guys can do whatever you want. If you go into settings, and then system preferences, swipe down actions, and there are all of these options. You can move to default desktop, show previews, and blah blah blah. And it's the same for swiping up. And not only that, this has other options like setting the number of screens that you want on your desktop. So if you're not using screens, if you're leaving empty screens, why use the space? Why waste the space? You can also set the default screen to whatever you want, and there are all these other options as well which you can check out. So this was a very interesting launcher, probably the best. Yes, that's the helicopter view. Yeah, and if you guys like this, then please don't hesitate to donate. So the second app I want to show you guys is Dropbox. Now, you guys may be aware of this app. It's really amazing. It basically allows you to store files on the cloud, and you can access them from anywhere, as wherever Dropbox is installed. So it could be on your desktop, it could be on your cell phone, and if it's not installed, you can just go ahead straight into the browser and download your file from there. So I'm gonna show you how to sign in. I'm already a member, so I'm just gonna quickly, yeah, sorry about that, I forgot my password. Yeah, so these are basically like all the folders that I have saved on the file on the cloud, so I can access these from anywhere. And yeah, if for example I decide to upload something, let's say a picture, and let's say I select this picture. Now uploading backgrounds. So in a few seconds it's actually going to say that it's complete, and once it does, there you go, we can head on over to the browser, and to drop. And if I sign in over here, if I sign in, there you go. All my folders are right over here, and there's my background.